Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today also in this video I again came with a product review. So guys, I bought this product from takealot.com. So the product name is Luxell Quartz Eater. So let me unbox this. You can also check my before videos, or you can also check in my playlist. I made Luxell fan heater video too. So this is an Luxell 3-bar heater with a safety switch. So I already reviewed the fan heater, so here I am with 3-bar heater. So here is my package. As you can see, the product is wide enough with the length of 55, breadth of 15 and height of 27 centimeter. It is of 1200 watt. And it has a rollover protection safety switch too. So I am plugged into the socket. So let me test this. Let me switch on. 0 indicates it is in off condition. If I go on 1, you can see the middle bar is heating now. Actually, it is very quick and you can see the warmness very quickly. Within 1 minute, you can feel the warmness. So as you can see, the single bar is burning now. So let me off this. And you can see within the fraction of a second, it is just went off. So let me on the second one now. You can see the first and third bar is eating now. And yeah guys, I got this product for 390 rands in takealot.com. If you guys wish to buy this product, the product link will be on my description. So let me switch on the first one too. Now you can see guys, all the 3 bars are heating. And this gives you a perfect warmness. I think this is perfect for winter. So winter is coming soon in South Africa, so I bought this product. I think for the price, this is the best product because it has 3 bar. So guys, if you wish to buy this, the product link will be on my description. Thank you so much.